guys, welcome back to my channel, Kate Winslet. So, nakita nyo sa initial video clip, I got a delivery from Shopee, and this is regarding about AirTags. Masyado maliwanag. Hirap naman na itong ring light na to. Ang balancing ko. Regarding AirTags here. So, just to give you an idea, sa mga Apple resellers sa actual store nila, this will cost you 139 ringgit, round off mo na, 140. But I got this kasama ng shipping fee, 129 ringgit. So, as you can see, first time kong bumibili ng mga accessories ng Apple. But the purpose why I bought this is because meron din ako ina-expect na isa pang parcel. Kasi it's been a while, wala na akong wallet. And ang ginagamit ko is yung mga card holder. Like this one, let me show it. So, technically, ito yung card holder. So ginagawa ko na rin siya parang wallet. So I decided to look for something na konting card lang, tas yung cash mo, and then easy to carry. Hindi katulad kasi nito, ayan, di ba? Tama yung mga card. So I purchased a wallet and it's still on its way, which is compatible dito sa binili kong Apple AirTag. So, kung gusto mo makatipid, you can buy 4-in-1, 4 pieces. I'll just flash it yung amount. Ito siya, kung 4 pieces. Pero kung isa lang ang bibilin mo, at lalo na sa retail store or reseller, authorized Apple reseller dito sa Malaysia, may 5 may 5 sikat na silang authorized reseller. At sa store mo gagawin nila is 139. So almost 140. But if you will buy it online sa mga official store nila, may discount. And like what I said, I got this kasama na yung delivery fee, 129 ringgit. So imagine from halos mga 10 ringgit ang diniscount mo. Yun siya. Tapos when I ordered it, kasama pa yung wallet. So, nakatipid. Kumbaga, wala na yata, wala na tong delivery fee. Yung isa meron, pero at least, naka-discount ka na rito, wala pang delivery fee, tapos kasama yung isa mo with a small amount lang ng delivery fee. So, kaya yun. So, that's the reason why I purchased it. Para at least, dual, you can have a minimized wallet. Ito yung pinurchase ko minimized wallet. And if you can see in the center ng image, merong suksukan ng AirTags. And then eventually I will do a separate ano yung mga pros and cons niya, ano yung mga benefits ng using an Apple AirTag. Marami naman din ng mga AirTag type or smart tracking, pero I kinda like this one, and I'll tell you separately sa ibang video ano yung advantage ng Apple AirTag at bakit I can say, not because it's the name, but ano yung parang features niya that separates the Apple AirTag sa mga ibang klaseng smart tracking devices. Okay? So for now, purely unboxing, and then separately I will do what are the pros, benefits, and tips and features to use the Apple AirTag. So tara, unboxing lang tayo for now, and how to set up na rin eventually. Keys. there you have it, guys. Ito siya. Liit lang. Parang kala mo parang ano lang yung bagong 5 peso coin dyan sa Pinas. So, ganun siya. And it's kinda medyo medyo mabigat siya na onte. So, here. So, this is the Apple AirTag. The reason why hindi ko tinatanggal yung wrapper because the moment I remove this, mapupull na yon, tapos yung battery niya sa loob mag-automatic na yan. So, kailangan i-pair up ko na sa phone ko. And then, kailangan ko na i-rename siya, paano siya i-tag, and whatnot. So, just to give you an idea, so, in-unbox ko lang muna para makita nyo yung AirTags. So, again, inside the AirTag box, some mga instructions, manuals, very basic. Tapos yung konting mga information. So ang gagawin ko naman next is eventually, once I have my smart wallet, it's a minimalist kind of wallet wherein it has a slot for the Apple AirTags. Okay? So, I hope you like this simple video unboxing and review, and wait for part 2 so that I can provide you what are the features, tips, and benefits of this Apple AirTag in our daily usage, whether for your bag, for your wallet, or even for your pets. Pwede mong gamitin to. So next time ko nang itatopic yun, that will be part 2. But for now, I hope you like this, and if you reach this portion, you can comment down below, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell notification if you want to be notified for future and incoming videos just like this one. Okay? So, again, maraming salamat, and thank you for watching and visiting my channel. And also, don't forget to go to KCM Videos for my Facebook page, wherein I also uploaded this kind of videos in my YouTube channel. Okay? So, without further ado, maraming salamat. Thank you very much. Terima kasih. And always remember, eat, vlog, sleep, and repeat. Bye for now. Have a great day.